Okay, so today we're gonna do a strawberry banana juice. So first we're gonna do the something special, like hmm? So we cut the banana. Rip it off. And then do this. Cut this like professionals. We pour it in the milk. So then we cut it all.
La propiedad ubicada en Charpio Doctor 8022 se alquila por 1,850 pesos. Esta casa unifamiliar independiente cuenta con 3 dormitorios, 2 baños completos, 1,745 pies cuadrados y fue construida en 1965. El terreno tiene
That's my
8,190
mom.
pies cuadrados.
Okay, so next we're gonna
Sharpstone Country Club Terrace, a minutos de la autopista 59.
pour
Esta
this.
encantadora casa ofrece sala de estar
Pour all
comedor
this.
formal y otra sala de estar. Desayunador
You
independiente
get
con
this.
cocina con amplio
That's my
espacio para
mom.
juguetes.
I'm sorry.
Amplio patio trasero
And
para reuniones
we're gonna
familiares
pour
o
this.
simplemente para sentarse y disfrutar mientras cocina la familia.
Dwayne.
Si le gusta jugar al golf, está a minutos del Sharpstone Country Club. Ocupada por inquilinos. Por favor, no molestar a los inquilinos.
Okay, so then pour more. Pour it all. Clean my hands. First, you clean your hands. Then you cut another banana. But this is gonna be fast because I'm not a professional. So far, like banana. Because I'm professional cutting bananas. Okay, so now we're gonna cut this. Okay, next you pour all this in there. Here, fast. Just do a bunch. Bunch of bananas. More bananas. Oh, I'm doing how is his name? chicken. I'm doing chicken. I'm gonna do chicken. Chicken. And put another banana. And then you get a strawberries. But if you do and you want a little of this, you then just one banana and put it. Now we get more milk. So we got to put our strawberry. Fast. How many? Okay. So finally we put our strawberry. This is tutorial, guys. Another strawberry. This is big. I'm doing the biggest strawberry banana. This is smoothie or juice, however you call it. And now that's a lot. Now you're gonna throw this trash. Now you clean this, but I'm not gonna clean it right now. So then you get the thing. Oh, I show you a trick. Get ice. And put a little bit of ice. And then you close it. You close it. Oh my god, how does this go? How does this thing go? Like that? Or that? Now you put this here. Here. Power. And you don't want to hear that. So I'm gonna mute that. There. There you got it. Yeah, your juice. Your juice. Here's your juice. And then here you got a lot of juice. Here you keep it closed, open it, and pour all day. Oh, I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. So that's the trick. And if you want, you can pour sugar if you want. So that's all the tutorial.